Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new question that is find the LCM of two numbers. How to solve these questions? To solving these questions, we need first to calculate the LCM. Then we have to perform a LCM formulas. To implement this, just watch this video. You will definitely understand how to calculate the LCM of two numbers using Java in Java. Okay, so to implement that, first of all, need a main method. This is our main method. Inside of main method, you need two variables. First one is first number 15 and int second number is equal to 20. If you remember my previous program, that is calculate the HCF, then then it's good to see, good to watch these videos. Otherwise, you might be getting a little bit of confusion. But don't worry, I will try to solve that confusion as well. So, first of all, need a duplicate variables. Yeah, one more variables to original number. Sorry, original first is the best option. First, FIRST first is equal to first number. To not affect my original values. So that reason we need a variable this int original first, int original second is equal to second number. Now whatever the operation perform, we perform with these variables, not the actual variables. If we perform with the actual numbers, then we will get might be the data loss or not getting the proper output. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to calculate HCF. HCF. How to implement that? Just very easy. Need a while loop. While second number is not equal to 0. Second number not equal to 0. 0. You have to perform some operations. That is a int. Need a reminder variables to calculate the remainder of your HCF. Reminder and is equal to what you have to do. Calculate the remember. You have to perform the perform the reminder operations or dividing operations. What you need a first number should percentile with the second numbers. So when we do this, uh, what is happening basically 15 is less than of 20s. So if you are performing the operations like 15 percentile 20s, you will get the remainder of 20 because the formula of a percentile is if the variables of A is less than of B, it means you can't perform the division. So that reasons it becomes the 20 inside of remainder. So after this, what you need to do, swapping first number is equal to second number. So whatever numbers inside of reminders, as you can see here, 20 is coming inside of remainder. Why? Because of it is the less than of 15. That is why it will be coming inside of remainder. So the first number is equal to second number and the second number. Second numbers what you need to come is a reminder. Now the second numbers what we have are 20. Sorry, yeah 20. Uh, Here what is coming? Here it come 20. in the first numbers, what we have now 20, and the second numbers what we have 50. Now, as you can see here, first number is uh, yeah, first number is bigger than second numbers. Now you can perform the division. So this is the way of to you have to calculating your HCF. Now, uh, what is happening actually? 20 is divisible by, sorry, yeah, 20 is divisible by 15. Whatever the reminders we will get, let's suppose 15 ones are 15. So 20 minus 15, what we get? 20 minus 15, what we get? 5. 5 is a reminder of 5 is our first reminder. First reminder what we have? 5. Then the second time, 5 should divide by 5 to divide the 15. So now it will be fully divide by 5 3 is 15. So it will be 0. Now the 5 is a HCF of this. This is the way of we have to calculate the HCF. Then after calculating this, you need let's come out this while loop and one variables, that is get the HCF inside of this. HCF is equal to first number. First number. Then you have to calculate the LCM. For that, what is the formula? The int LCM, the variable is LCM. Inside of LCM, we need original variables. So original first plus original second. It is the temporary values. Original first and original second. Sorry, second. Second divide by HCF. HCF. Sorry, not here. Come out this block and HCF and end with semicolons. So what is happening here? What we have original first have a 15. Then sorry, this is not a into. This is a into, not a plus. 15 into uh, 20. What we will get? 300. And 300 divided by 5. What we will get? 5. What we will get? So we will get the 60 here. This is the 60 is a LCM. This is 60 is a LCM of our number. Our two number is 60 is a LCM. LCM. By using this method, we have to calculate the first HCF. So HCF we will get here like 5. Then to calculating the LCM, you need temporary variables, that is original first and original second. So original first into original second and divided by LCM, you will get the LCM of 60. Then just come here to print the values of LCM. This out LCM of plus original first plus and plus original second plus is plus LC, oh sorry, LCM. LCM. Now you have to run this program, check it will be working fine or not. Let's run this program. See, LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. So as you can see here, our program is working fine. This is the way of the implement the LCM of these two numbers. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.